In this worksheet called SUMAverage, we need to put some totals in cell G3 to add up the numbers to the left and in B9 to add up the numbers above. You could use the sum function to put in the total, type, equals, and within brackets put the relevant information in. But a quicker way to do it would be using the AutoSum. You'll find the AutoSum button in the Home tab in the ribbon to the right. The AutoSum button is also in the Formulas tab in the ribbon on the left. AutoSum is designed to quickly add adjacent data from the left or from above. So there's data here on the left, the active cell is in G3. We'll click AutoSum from either Home tab or Formulas tab, and it automatically puts in the info we could have typed. And then press enter and you get your answer. A similar thing in cell B9, we can make it a little faster, but you have to highlight the cells ahead. You can highlight just the cells you need or the below, which has the total. Then you can click AutoSum just once to put the total in place. At times you might come across a situation like this. So what will AutoSum do here? Will it add from above or from the left? AutoSum always looks upwards first. So if we click AutoSum here, we see this sum. If, however, we don't want to add these two, but want to add the cells on the left, then we use the mouse and select the cells to the left, then press enter. If you have larger amounts of data and you want to add up these cells and the ones below, you could put in the entry here and copy downward. You could highlight these cells ahead of time, then click AutoSum once. You could do the same on the bottom, highlight these cells and click AutoSum once as the data from above. So, as I delete this, we could highlight these cells this way and press AutoSum. Sometimes you want to do an average instead. An AutoSum button has an average option. So, if we want to do an average of these cells, we click the drop arrow associated with AutoSum and then choose average. So it types a function for us and press enter. You also have the option to redirect AutoSum. So say you want the total up above. You can move it up, but if you want a total here or the cells below, you could click AutoSum. It might start looking up or do something you don't want to. But if you want to add the cells below, then select those cells or redirect the cells that we need to be tabling, and Excel will do it. So you can use AutoSum for sum and for average. There are also two other functions, which are max and count function. AutoSum also lets you count numbers, calculate a maximum or minimum. It could also lead you into other functions. So for example, if we want the maximum entry for those 5 days, but we want to ignore this, Max might select all those numbers and direct us to the wrong location. So we just highlight these cells with the mouse to get the highest value from them. So anytime we're using formulas that use common tabulating needs like the sum or average, etc., we can use the AutoSum button.